Hey everybody, let me show you something. My backboard for the hoop was cracked and busted open on both sides. And look at that. So that's one side. The other side was blown completely out. So I cleaned it off really good on both sides so that the tape would adhere to the backboard. I got some plexiglass sheets from Lowe's. They're like 2x3s, eighth of an inch thickness, not super thick. And I got some double-sided 3M tape that they use for automobiles to keep molding and stuff on. So you take the sheets, you got the tape on, and then all you have to do is take the red backing off of the exposed side of the tape once you get it in where you want it on the backboard. Because the sheets were like $18 a piece at Lowe's, and then I got the tape. So this is the first side I worked on. There's the glass with the tape already on it. And I just didn't have to cut anything. I just took the sheet, laid it over the hole, pressed it in, and there you have it. Now on this side, it was flapping and everything. So put some tape behind that so that you can stop the plexiglass from flapping and falling apart and everything. So you kind of secure that side, and then I'm gonna put the plexiglass on and you'll see what happens. So I had to undo the bottom bracket of the backboard so that I could slide the plexiglass down to the base of the backboard. That's the sheet. I didn't peel the sheet yet. That's why it looks white and glassy or glossy. So once you peel the sheet, it's clear. So there you have it. I dropped that in, pressed it down. The tape adheres really nicely. Put the base back on, and there you have it. Now it's repaired. I'm going to take the third piece and also cover that little top part that's still left. You see on the left, the top left. I'm going to cover that up. But right now, it's getting the job done. It's not cracking. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.